If this doesn't annoy you, nothing will. You thought it was over. It ain't over. Alright, I don't know. I'm sorry. I didn't know what the 42 seconds was about that. Yeah, so it's tomorrow. It's like 2 in the morning. No. Sorry, I got up like 2 hours ago. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I told you guys I was gonna do a gameplay, and I did a gameplay of Slenderman's Forest, but it was on my phone, so he's thinking walk really slow. This is why I want my computer to work. So, yeah. So then I could play Amnesia. That's all I have today. Bye. See you guys later.